Holiday travels, business trips, vacations. Unfortunately, more travelers means more cybercrime as opportunistic hackers reel in all those fish out of water. Don't be a stiff fish stick. Scale up your cybersecurity game. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and this episode is all about protecting yourself and your household from cybercrime while traveling, especially when venturing abroad. From unsecured Wi-Fi networks to electronics left in empty hotel rooms, there's a ton of opportunities for bad actors to take advantage. So let's make sure you are protected. When packing, take only the essentials and back up before you pack up. Fewer devices mean fewer opportunities for loss, theft, or cyber attack. Offload important data from any thumb drives or SD cards you might be traveling with to avoid precious data getting stolen. Prep your phone ahead of time. You'll be very reliant on your phone while traveling, so it's best to keep it as secure as possible. Make sure to update your mobile software for the latest security upgrades, and clear your cookies and browser history as well. Now is a good time to look into a password manager to ensure your passwords are both strong and not shared across multiple platforms, especially your banking and email passwords. If your accounts don't already have multi-factor authentication enabled, do that now. Research the cyber threats of the area you're traveling to, as different areas will have different risk factors. Check YouTube for pickpocket hunters channels for the city you'll be traveling to so you will know what to look out for. And finally, before you go, have a plan for if the worst happens. If your devices are stolen or your data compromised, your immediate actions could be very important for damage reduction. Know how to lock down, remotely wipe, and find your device using a computer or another device. Have the number of your insurance company and mobile provider written down somewhere that isn't your phone as well. One of the most important things you can do while traveling is disabling any auto connect function your devices have. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi auto connections are convenient in your day-to-day life, but a liability when you're traveling. Before you connect to any public Wi-Fi hotspots, such as airports, hotels, or cafes, confirm the network name and login procedure with an appropriate staff member so you only use legitimate networks. Don't conduct sensitive activities like banking or shopping while on a public network. And know that your mobile network connection is usually safer than public Wi-Fi networks. Never leave any electronics unattended, and that includes external storage devices like USB drives. That's sort of a gimme, but people forget sometimes. Limit location sharing. Most apps and websites don't need to know your location. You should avoid sharing details of your trip on social media in general. Tell people who need to know by phone, email, or text. Don't get lost. Regularly offload your gram-worthy pictures and videos so your phone doesn't lag when you're trying to get directions. I would suggest Kingston's teeny tiny Data Traveler Duo 3C with a USB-C connector for your mobile device and a USB-A connector for transferring to your laptop once your trip is over. Be careful of juice jackers. These are devices that use doctored ports to transfer data to or from your device while you think it's simply charging, at a public recharge station, for example. There are adapters you can buy to prevent this, but honestly, rechargeable battery packs are much safer for travelers who need to charge their devices on the go. Stay alert to phishing scams. Contact the company directly through official methods if something seems fishy. Avoid responding to unfamiliar, unsolicited texts or emails. Another thing to watch out for is phony apps. Investigate the developer before downloading anything. If a QR code is prompting you to download something, see if you can do it through a trusted app store instead, like Apple's App Store or Google Play. Once you get home, you should prioritize doing a malware and virus scan on all the devices you took with you. Next, you can remove your travel apps. You won't need that foreign train service or amusement park app anymore. The best policy is to uninstall them so they no longer have access to your data. Check your accounts for suspicious activities on your email and social media. Keep an eye out for unfamiliar logins and password reset attempts. You may want to change your passwords anyway, just in case. That was a lot, but time well spent. A little caution and preparedness can save a lot more stress down the line. Enjoy your travels, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.